What's up, you guys? It's me, Tevin the Toy Guy, and I just got, okay, before I begin, I got all this in the mail. I got these in one package, and I got these in another package, and these are fidget cubes that I ordered on AliExpress, and I ordered those after well, it wasn't that long ago, probably about a week or two ago, but I ordered a Bluetooth fidget spinner on eBay almost 4 weeks ago, and it still ain't got here yet. And this one of the ones from China, but this one was from China. I just got this one Friday, and I ordered this, I think, a week after that green Bluetooth one. Might have to go on eBay and see what's wrong, but anyway, this is a glow-in-the-dark. I got all this on AliExpress. These were $2.50 each, and these were under $2 for what I can remember. This the glow-in-the-dark one. This a solid gold one. Okay, something ain't right with this. I gotta, like, take the little thing off and, like, loosen this one. Cause it ain't spinning as it should. But I'm not gonna get the fidget cube out the box. Oh, I really like it. All the buttons on this one click. And they got a little joystick right here with my finger at. And a little ball. And all these click, I think. This like a light switch. Ooh, this is neat. I'm glad I didn't pay all that money in Toys R Us for one. Cause I seen they had a bunch of these there last when I first seen them. Now we got this for $2 and change. And for this to be $2 and change and to come from China, the quality feels neat. And this is the black one in here. It's just like the other one. The only part that ain't black is the little metal ball. But yeah, this is it for this video. I'm gonna try to take this one apart and see why it's not spinning as long as it should. But yeah, this is it.